Now dear student, this is your last type, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences that are used to show your internal emotions or abstract feelings are exclamatory sentences. Dear students, you can very well understand that the sentences that show some emotions like our sadness, our happiness, those sentences are called our exclamatory sentence. There are few examples given. See, examples are: shit, I have done the wrong. Alas, she lost her mother. Bravo, the man showed courage. Hooray, we conquered. So dear student, do not forget to put your sign of exclamation at the end of the sentence or at the end of our exclamatory word. Be careful at the end of the sentence or at the end of their exclamatory words like shit, alas, bravo, hooray. Let's recapitulate our lesson. First, we had discussed definition of a sentence. Definition of a sentence means a group of words that make complete sense. This is called our sentence. Now, there is second point, that is parts of a sentence. In the parts of a sentence, we have studied subject and predicate part, right? So, subject is our doer and the remaining part is a predicate part, and in the predicate part there should be our verb. It is compulsory. Next, we had done types of verb, types of a sentence. There are 4 types. Assertive sentence, these are again of 2 types, affirmative and negative. In the affirmative sentences, we state something. In the negative sentences, we make its negative form. In the interrogative sentences, we make interrogative sentences with the help of WH words or with the help of yes or no interrogatives. Imperative sentences, those sentences which show us our command, suggestion, advice or order, you can say, those sentences called imperative sentences. And exclamative sentences, those sentences which show our emotions like our sadness, happiness, those are called exclamative sentences. So in the assertive sentences we put full stop, interrogative sentences we put question mark, imperative sentences we put full stop again, in exclamative sentences we put sign of exclamatory, the end of the sentence. So my dear students, I hope you got some idea regarding the lesson, the sentence. So okay, this is a part.